Exactly after 2 months from now, Hannover Messe 2026 will be open to the public. This year, the theme is Think Tech Forward.
So, ladies and gentlemen, warm welcome in the beautiful city of Hannover.
So Hannover Messe 26 will focus on the topics of digitalization, automation, and more than ever on the application of AI.
So I think the German and European public can expect a lot of the Brazilian industry. We'll take the opportunity to showcase the progress, the development of our industry in many aspects, and also the enormous technological component of our industry, our diversification, our creativity, that I'm sure it will attract lots of attention from the public.
So again, Hannover Fair is coming. In April, people from all around the world will meet, discuss the industrial transformation, and it is wonderful to see friends coming from all over the world together and get insights how industrial transformation is going on, how AI is boosting manufacturing. Hannover is the place to be, to bring all these fans of Hannover together in Hannover.
Our slogan, Think Forward, means exactly that we are now in a world that is very dynamic, but we have the ambition from Hannover Messe to invite the world to understand what is beyond, what will happen, and then to use it to solve our challenges, the very big ones, but quite often the small ones, and therefore to use technology and at the end to be more competitive and to have satisfied customers.